Hi everyone, I'm George Smith, and welcome to my Pluralsight course, Building and Using Multi-node Jenkins Farm. Jenkins is one of the most popular continuous integration and continuous delivery tools that can empower you to create, manage, and automate complex builds to meet ever-evolving business needs. When it comes to software delivery, Jenkins rules, and the best part is, it can make your life so much easier. In this course, you will learn about the features that allow you to fire off your builds to multiple nodes in order to run a myriad of tasks in parallel. We'll be focusing on several key topics like setting up a master node, leveraging distributed builds, and building pipeline optimizations, all in the context of managing a distributed build farm. The grand finale will show you how to get Jenkins ready for integration into complex systems. You will learn how to trigger Jenkins remotely, how to test on a massive scale, and how to publish the results for multiple stakeholders in your organization. My big promise to you is that by the end of this course, you will confidently be able to stand up and configure a master node with an arbitrary number of agents that target multiple software product environments. You will be amazed by how you can automate almost anything down to a single click. I invite you to join me on this exciting journey of advancing your Jenkins skills while having lots of fun with the demos and exercises.